Students, today we are going to discuss the factorization topic. That's very important topic, and we are going to discuss in algebraic expressions. Okay, so factorization basic the concept is if, for example, the equation is given, expression is given to you, that is 15x raised to power 3 minus 35x raised to power 2 plus 10x. Then if you take the common of 5x, common means that 5 can divide, that is, or you can say that 5 is the factor of all 15, 35 and 10, and the minimum power of x is 1. That is common in all three terms. So after taking the common, that is 5x, you may use in the bracket, that is 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Now this 5x is a factor and 3x minus 7x plus 2 is also a factor, but the process from which that these factors we conclude, yeah, we can get the factors, this process is known as factorization. Okay, so when you the question is you have to factorize the following, then you have to keep in mind that these three steps you can use. One is taking common, the next one is formula, and these formulas can be used as a square minus b square. This is the two perfect squares included negative sign, so that will be a plus b into a minus b. So the second one is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that can be written as a plus b whole square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Basically this is left side and right side, these are the identities, and these are vice versa. You can use left side to right, or if right is given you can use in the left side. Okay, these formulas basically. The third one, the factorization method, is breaking midterm breakup method, or you may say that this is grouping method. These concepts you may use in the questions. Now some examples are given to you. The first question is, for example, let's factorize the followings. So a part is 21 x square y square z square z plus 27 x y raised to power 2 z raised to power 2 minus 3 into y raised to power 2, sorry, y raised to power 3 and z raised to power 3. So first concept, you may take the common of 3y square z from the whole of three terms. So in the brackets, that will be 7x square y plus 9xz minus yz square. So this is the answer for the first part. The next one is, if you have to given that 121 a square minus 225 y square, and then if you have asked that you have to factorize this expression, so this expression can be factorized as 121 is the perfect square of 11, and also a square is the perfect square of a, so you can write as 11a whole square minus 15y whole square. So the second formula that we used here, that is the first one, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So same thing we can use here. So first expression is 11a minus second expression is 15y and 11a plus 15y. Next one is, if 49m square plus 56mn plus 16n square. So basically 49m square is a perfect square, and the last one is 16n whole square is also a perfect square. So you can deduce this one in 7m whole square plus 4n whole square, and the mid expression will be 2 into a into b. A into b means that first expression into second expression. So you can use the identity as a plus b whole square. So the first a term is here 7m and b is 4n, so that will be 7m plus 4n whole raised to power 2. The next one is, that's very important, and some students feel difficulty in this one. So this is 3x square plus 14x plus 16. Okay, so this is 3x square is not a perfect square, and also assume is that is 16. First you have to find that 16 threes are that will be 16 3 times as 48. Then you have to make the expressions like this one, that mid value, that is 14x. You have to give two numbers. When you add the numbers, that will give you 14x, and when you multiply those numbers, yeah, those expressions, that will give you 48x square. So on the left, there may be some cases like this one. 1 times 48, that will give you 48, but 48 plus 1 is not a 14. Okay. And 2 times 24 definitely give you 48, but 2 and 24 cannot get you 14. So last one is 6 times 8. This is encircled one, that if you multiply 6 and 8, that will give you 48, and 6 plus 8, that will give you 14. So this is appropriate one, and you can use 6x plus 8x plus 16. Now this is 4x terms, and you can divide these four terms in two groups. That's why we can say this is a grouping method. And from first expression you take the common 3x, and the from second expression we take the common 8. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 are the same or common expression in both one. So this is the basic check whether either we have used the correct expressions or not. So 3x plus 8 you will write on the left, and x plus 2, this is common both. uh, this is the expression is common to both one, so you can use at the end, or the this can be vice versa. Okay. So I hope that you got the expression concepts of factorization. Thank you.